Did you know that feijoada is the most traditional food in Brazil? Today, you will learn how to order this Brazilian food and how to speak the Brazilian way to place your order. Hello guys! When someone decides to go to Brazil, a wise decision it is to try and taste Brazilian food. One of the most traditional foods in Brazil it is feijoada. And it's basically a food made up of black beans, pork cuts, sausage, rice, and crumbs. Now, we will learn the best way to order this incredible food in Brazil. So come with me and let's go. First of all, you need to know what day of the week it is. In Brazil, it's common that feijoada it is served only on Wednesday and Saturdays. So, you can even find another restaurant that serves you feijoada on other days. But will be easier if you order on traditional days. There's no mistake, okay? Then, the days of the week in Brazil are depicted like this. Check this out. Here, we are going to learn to speak in the most practical and common way in Brazil. So now, repeat with me. Segunda. Again. Segunda. Segunda, it means Monday. Now, terça. Again. Terça. Terça it means Tuesday. Now, quarta. Quarta. Quarta, it means Wednesday. Quinta. Quinta. Quinta, it means Thursday. Now, sexta. Sexta. Sexta, it means Friday. Now, sábado. Sábado. Sábado, it means Saturday. And for last, domingo. Domingo. And domingo, of course, it means Sunday. Now, you know all the days of the week in Brazilian Portuguese. But remember, the feijoada days are Wednesday and Saturday. Knowing this, you can ask a Brazilian what day is it. To answer that, you will say: Que dia da semana é hoje? Repeat again. Que dia da semana é hoje? Que dia da semana é hoje? It means basically what day of the week is today. In a more informal way, you can say too: Que dia é hoje? Que dia é hoje? Okay? It means what day is it today? Okay. Even it is not a Wednesday or Saturday, you can simply ask if the Brazilian knows any restaurant nearby that serves a good feijoada. Just say it like this. Por favor, você conhece algum lugar perto que sirva uma boa feijoada? Stop the video and listen again. You should say something like this. Por favor, você conhece algum lugar perto que sirva uma boa feijoada? It basically means, please, do you know any place nearby that serves a good feijoada? If you prefer to talk informally, you can say to: Por favor, conhece algum lugar perto que sirva feijuca? Again, conhece algum lugar perto que sirva feijuca? It means, please, do you know any place nearby that serves feijuca? In this case, feijuca it means feijoada too. It's just another way to say. There is a huge chance that after asking this, you'll have a positive answer. As Brazilians are usually very receptive and will help you, for sure. When you arrive at the suggested restaurant, it's important to know what kind of feijoada you want to try. Usually in Brazil, the feijoada is called traditional feijoada or light feijoada. Usually, the traditional feijoada it is composed of different parts of pig, including pig ear, pig knee, and other parts. But the light feijoada usually consists of just beans, sausage, and dry meat. If it is your first time tasting feijoada in Brazil, we recommend you order the light feijoada. So, it's important to ask the waiter about the type of feijoada served. You can place your order to the waiter as follows. Eu gostaria de pedir uma feijoada, por favor. E gostaria de saber se a feijoada é light ou tradicional. Now, stop the video, listen again, and try again. I would like that you say something like that. Eu gostaria de pedir uma feijoada, por favor. Eu gostaria de saber se a feijoada é light ou tradicional. Basically, it means I would like to order a feijoada, please. And I would like to know if the feijoada it is light or is traditional. But if you want, you can be informal too. You can be more practical. You can say, por favor, uma feijoada. É light ou tradicional? Obrigado. Basically, you are going to say, please, have a feijoada. Are these traditional or light? Thanks. And after the order, you can speak and practice your Brazilian Portuguese, saying, muito obrigado. Muito obrigado. That means thank you very so much. Or just informally, you can say valeu. Again, valeu. It means thanks. Now is just way to get your feijoada hot, full of flavor, and get to know this great gastronomic food from Brazil. And traveling friends, leave here in the comments your experience with feijoada. If you like it, if you would eat again, right here because we want to know your experience. Okay? Hey, help our work and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave your like in this video. Okay, see you next time, buddy.